Hello, we are PermaDrain, and today we are demonstrating the installation for a 3.5-inch cross strainer inside a typical floor drain. Our 3.5-inch cross strainer comes included with 2 gaskets. As you can see, they're both slightly different sizes, although they measure 3.5 inches, and that is to encompass any floor drain that you may come across. They come included with 2 security screws, T27 high security screws, and the 3.5-inch cross strainer itself. We have 2 different size gaskets as mentioned before here to make sure that you have the perfect size for each application. Try your first gasket inside the drain opening. As you can see, this gasket slides down nice and easy. If you use the second gasket, you see this gasket is a little bit too big. So we've determined the proper gasket here, showing how easily it fits inside the drain throat. Once you place your gasket inside the drain throat, push down slightly on the gasket to make sure that it is even with the opening of the drain throat. And now you can screw in your 3.5-inch cross strainer to protect this drain from objects making its way down inside when the cover is removed, and also to provide an anchor point to anchor down the cover. We encourage you to use our PermaDrain installation tool, as that helps you get a tight fit of the cross strainer down into the gasket to where you can make sure that the cross strainer is nice and flush inside the drain opening, as to not leave areas where water can pool. Here we have a cross strainer that has already been installed. You simply line your security screws through the face of the drain grate to line up with 2 of the 3 anchor points that you see here. If your drain grate happens to have a hole in the center, you can use 1 security screw to line up here. If there happens to be branding, as you can see here, then you can use the 2 side anchor points to lock down your strainer. Once those screws are lined up, simply use either a hand driver or impactor with the bit provided to lock down the screw into the anchor point. Now, as you can see, the drain grate is secure, it can no longer be removed, and the 3.5-inch cross strainer has protected your floor drains.